Hi everyone, this is Tracy from We Craft at Home. Thank you for watching me. This is the new project I'm doing. I'm sorry I haven't been around for a while. Now I've bought some new Pinflair products, and this one was actually requested from a lady. So it's the box for 1001 things. It's such an easy box to do. And obviously can be used for so much, it's unreal. So I've done my usual. I've gone ahead and done as much as I can in advance, so you haven't got to watch me do everything. So the first things first is the shirting. You've got to cut 3 strips at 12 centimetres long and 3 strips at 10 centimetres long. So I've done that, and then what you have to do, here's this way round. You've got the 4 squares and you're going to stick them together with the shirting. So you use the 12 centimetre on the bottom, and then we're going to fold it over and put the 10 centimetre over the top. And if you've still got a little bit hanging over, just trim it off. So let me just get my glue out. As you can see, I've already done the other 2, so this is the last one. Okay, so you can see I've gone over the top, so all I'm going to do is trim that extra piece off. So now we've got this. So you can see this is going to be the base, like that. Okay, so now we've done that and we've got that. Oh, I didn't trim that up very well, did I? Now we've got that, we need the material. And it says to cut it 44 centimetres across and 23 centimetres down. Because what it's going to do, it's going to wrap the entire thing. So you want it like this, and then it's going to come over, and this piece, you're going to do what you always do, neaten it and fold it to the edge. So what it says on the instructions is to apply glue to the back of the board, place the board so there is a 1 centimetre overlap on either side. Alright, I haven't cut it very well there, but and 1.5 at the top. Glue over. So now we need to glue this on. The top overlap, it says. There we go. So now that's nicely stuck down. Just make sure it's all. I actually would have mitered the pieces first, so let's. It didn't show to do that, and I should have done it. So it says glue over the top, and then the sides, obviously, and then we are just going to do the bottom. We're going to just, do you know, I don't know actually, that might be okay. So I am just going to fold the end so that it's a neat edge. So now glue over all this back. All you're doing is bringing it over and then gluing it. Straight down again, just like that. Now I'm just going to make sure it will still fold. Okay. So now to make the trays. So I've already done 2. And that's how they are. I love this material. It's my favourite material. I use it more than any one. But I use that material on the inside. I don't know if you can see. It's a white on white pattern, but I love it. Anyway, so to do this, don't need that. First of all, to put the lids together, you get the sticky tape. You just got to wet that side, and if you cut it in strips and stick it round each corner like that, then that gives you that. And then the next thing to do, it says cut a square round, so it's a bit bigger. Oh no, actually, first of all, so I don't know if you can see the material better like that. I hope so, because it's a lovely material. So we're going to stick that on the inside first. This material didn't come with the box. I've got a habit of getting a lot of material from Pinflair, especially at the yard sales. And then we're going to stick this one on. There we go. And then you cut a strip . 40 centimetres by 8 centimetres, and then glue the sides so that it's a neat finish. And what we're going to do, we're going to glue it all the way around like this. Okay, so that the side, that neat side, is the top in line, like flush with the top of the box. So that's the next thing we've got to do. And what you should actually be left with is a tiny little bit of overlap. There we go. Now we're going to just fold it in and glue it. Now I did, when I done these ones, I did cut down, but I'm actually thinking you probably don't. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think I will. So although it doesn't say it on there, really does. So I just cut down to each corner. You could do a little bit of a snip off if you want, but it seemed to work for me to just find the corner and cut down. And then you're just going to glue the inside and stick it down. Okay, I didn't stick it onto the square pretty even there, so you can see there's a tiny gap here that you can see. And it's gone a little bit over there, so yeah, that was my fault. But that's the 3 boxes. The lid is done the same, with the same measurements, funny enough, and it still fit round, so there you go. So now you've got picture guides if you prefer picture guides. So that is doing the shirting. That's sticking the sticky stuff to stick it together. That's showing you how to do the boards onto the material, this piece. So this bit here is showing you where to put the trays on the board. So I'm just going to move the box out of the way a second. So what it's saying is on the first one it's on the bottom, so we'll do that. We have to do it onto material now, so I might do a little bit extra glue because the material does like to soak it in a bit. And seeing as it's material on material, so the first one is going to go on the bottom. I think I'm going to do it like this, just so I know it's straight to the rest of the box. So I've bent it like that so that I can measure here and here that it's stuck in the right place. So that's the first one. The second one is going here, so we'll use the first one as a guide to make sure we're sticking it right. Like that, and then the next one is going there. So while I'm still holding them two down, that one is going in there, and sticks up to the top, so it's level with that, and you can see it's level all the way around, so you know you've got it all right. And then I am just going to pull that shut so I can just hold it firmly and make Okay guys, I'm really sorry. The battery of the camera ran out and I didn't pick it up straight away. So anyway, this is the box finished. I think I managed to get everything on video. So lid and all three boxes, and you can see that's how they go, which is the same as the picture. That's what it's showing you. 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, and that's what I've done. So it's all there now, ready to use and feel. And then it shuts really nicely. It's gone together really well actually. I have done these before out of card. I think I've actually got a video of me doing like a book style one. But obviously this is much more solid and, you know, it will stand up to a lot more. So it is a really nice little box. So there we go. That's that done. I hope you enjoy it. I will leave a link in my details if any of you want to have a look at it. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.